In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add audio transition in Filmora. So basically, if you have multiple audio in your project and then you want to make sure the transition between one music or one audio file to another to be as smooth as possible, then you can follow this tutorial. So basically, the idea of audio transition is very similar to visual transition that we have in Filmora. So if you go to transitions and then you have to select any effect. Let's say I will try the dissolve effect, which is very popular and simple. If I put that between clips, it's going to make a nice transition effect between one clip to another. And the same is true for audio files. Let me show you how you can do it. But first, let me remove these clips. We don't need that. I want to focus on audio files. So I have these two audio files that I prepared for this part of this very video. So I'm going to put that into my timeline. And I'm going to put it here. So there are two different musics. And by the way, I think I'm going to I'm going to adjust the volume for this clip because it's a bit too loud. So I'm going to click auto normalization. This is optional, by the way. You don't have to do this. It's just my particular audio file is just too loud. So I'm going to play it back, and we're going to test before we applying the audio transition effect. Definitely it is not smooth. It's just abruptly stop and then it starts a different audio and it doesn't look good. Now let's go to transitions and then navigate to audio transitions, and then here we have 4 different presets that we can apply to these two clips, basically in between two audio files. Now, the one that I prefer to use is exponential fade. So basically, it's going to make the audio to be lowered, the volume to be lowered, and then it will stop, and then it will continue smoothly to another audio. Let's just drag and drop this transition effect to the area between this clip and then this clip. So if you are ready, you can click play and just preview the result. You can always make it longer, you can also make it shorter. It's totally up to you, and always preview, always test. And by the way, you can double click on this and you can see which setting or which mode that you want to try. But basically, you just need to go to audio transitions and then drag and drop the audio transition effect that you want to apply for your audio files. Let me play it again. If you're not happy, you can always go back and then try a different audio transition effect and just preview again. So yeah, that's basically it. There are only 4 different options right now, but I believe it's going to be improved in the future, and maybe we can get much better and more advanced settings for each transition option. But anyway, that's basically how you can apply audio transitions on the on the audio files that you have on your Filmora project. And in any case, if you found this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.